Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the employee attendance. When you see when as an organization owner or manager or a user is logged into his dashboard, he to his account he is landed to the specific page where he can select the attendance. Under the attendance, you can see the data coming up over here. Now this is the same attendance that we can see as an organization owner manager under the calendar section. This is visible for the employee. Here you can see the list of the data which is available for 30 days and the last past 3 months as well. You can select the date filter from here as well. You can filter out the data for the leaves that is available, and you can even export the data from here. The attendance stats are given below, where it shows you the check-in and the checkout time. It also gives you a pictorial representation of the how much time is being recorded, what are the total hours, working hours, arrivals, and the logs. If the user is absent on specific day or is it a week off, it's going to give you the information on this as well. And then it gives you a pie chart information of total number of present days, absent days, and how many days were working days. It gives you the name of the user, what is his phone number or what time he has checked in, what is the current status of this user, is working or no, which visible mode or which mode the tracker is running from, the phone number, and all the list of the information of the user is being also displayed here. You can, as organization owner manager, you can also change the user from the below from this drop down. From this drop down you can change the member and you can see the details of the specific user like this here. Thank you.